right, backstory behind this part, I was actually picking it up off of the table to go put back with all the other components from this Ford motor that we just disassembled. And I realized the inside looked terrible. And I was like, man, I wish there was a way to clean this thing and bring it back to that O.E.M shine really quickly. I wish we had a machine like that. So I actually ended up using this VH800 FL here. This is our top of the line hobbyist cabinet, if you guys don't know that. It is HDPE, which I actually prefer because it keeps the noise down a bit. And what I actually ended up processing this part with was glass bead. If you're unfamiliar, glass bead is a circular abrasive. It's not made to strip anything, although it did do a pretty good job removing that gasket material that was left on here. It did take me a little bit longer than something like an aluminum oxide would, but glass bead is the go-to abrasive if you guys are trying to bring polish back to a part. A few things of note. There is a bronze piece in here that you guys can see that this thing brought the polish back to no problem. There's also a rubber seal up here that you guys can see that we did not erode at all. If you're familiar with traditional blasting processes like sandblasting, you know if there was any sort of rubber component or even a bronze piece like this, you could potentially damage it. It's no problem with vapor honing. The water cushions the abrasive as it hits the surface. This all in all took me about 5 minutes, brought this thing back to an absolutely beautiful shine. This thing was just sitting in grease and oil. We didn't do any sort of prep work beforehand, literally just threw it in the machine, pull it out, this is what we got. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would use one of these machines. If you guys have used one of these machines, let us know what you think about them in the comments below. We love hearing what you guys have to say and what your opinions are about these. If you have any questions about this, about media embedment, which doesn't happen with these, about tolerances, which aren't affected by these, or any other questions, leave it in the comments below. We love answering those for you guys. And also let us know what you want to see. We're open. And with that, that wraps this video up. This was a down and dirty experience of what it's like to use a vapor honing machine to get amazing results. See you guys in the next one.